Y'all see that? Is it giving? Is it giving? They should have put me in the music video. I'm gonna brush it out. Or should I? I'm gonna brush it out. That's childish. This is not. Hello, it's your girl Connie, and you have tuned in to another episode of Her Creation, where the girl you were meets the woman you're becoming. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. Right now, I am in the shower room at Love's, and yeah, we're going to go pick up a load today and drop off a load in picking it up in Alabama and then dropping it off in Indiana. So yeah, come on, y'all. Mind you, I did not wear this out the truck. I just had it up on underneath these shorts and I had on a t-shirt. So don't worry, y'all. You know, I ain't stupid. But this is my little setup. Got the clothes I'm going to put on right there. Toothbrush and my little makeup bag. This is the bag that I use to carry all of my things to the shower room from my truck. My lotions, deodorant, body wash, face wash, shower shoes. Gotta have the shower shoes. And then this is the towels that they provide you with. They provide you with towels. And I always use them for the floor because I have my own towel. And then this is what the shower looks like inside. And then that's the area that I was in right there. So yeah, we're gonna get into the shower, y'all.
Sun is hitting my face, I'm unfazed, I need this. Calling out my name, say meet me, cities away.
Okay, y'all, so I'm actually in West Point, Georgia right now at this Love's. I think I'm gonna start telling y'all my love. But today I'm just doing a drop-in hook, which is simply me going to go and pick up the trailer. But I want to know y'all opinion. What do y'all think about these new videos that I'm doing, making for y'all? The chit chat with me, the makeup tutorials, get ready with me, just the more actionable videos where y'all get to actually see her create. You feel me? And on top of that, I want to know what are some of the things that you girls are creating. Let me take this off. It's making my hair sweat. Let me know down below. Talk to me. Talk to your girl. Okay?
Now I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy, let the seas sway with me, we're getting my energy, let the seas sway with me, my remedy, let the seas sway with me, getting my energy, let the seas sway with me, I would try to hold on, treading water in this big storm now. Try to swim away, crash just like a tidal wave. I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure.
And if you're a small girl like me, the trick is to buy lighter appearing clothes because they make you look bigger. Wearing black all the time and you're a small girl is gonna make you look even smaller. That's the trick. Okay, so y'all see the fit. Y'all see the buns. You see, I got small buns, but these pants make them look bigger, even though they're small. See? Yeah. Y'all see the fit. It's fitting. It's fitting. It's fitting. It's fitting. It's fitting. And as y'all can see, wearing stuff like this that's more like just tight fitting, they don't need to be super tight, but like more fitting to your body type, looks way better than me being out here in some baggy, dusty clothes. Ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah, I'm finna just fix my hair up a little bit, brush my teeth, and yeah, let's get to it.
Now this is my remedy, let the seas sway with me, we're getting my energy, let the seas sway with me, my remedy, let the seas sway with me, getting my energy, let the seas sway with me, feels like gravity can't touch me when I'm here. Look at me, carry all this weight, but still I'm light as air. Now I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. No, I gotta go under, hold my breath and let it go.
I'm thick. Oh my gosh. Why do I gotta be so thick for? Y'all see that? Y'all see it? Y'all see that? What's giving? What's giving? What it needs to give. Talk to him. Talk to. Oh, y'all, and I only used Hello charcoal activated toothpaste because it's fluoride free, and I don't have time to be calcifying my pineal gland, baby. I need that.
Takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy, let the seas sway with me, we're getting my energy, let the seas sway with me, my remedy, let the seas sway with me, getting my energy, let the seas sway with me, sway with me.
Back if you notice you the biggest. Still up in the spot. I ain't playing games. Drop it like it's hot. Tana candy flame. Body still banging. A puff of this kitty cat of hair is choking. I'm just getting wet enough like I'm underwear. It's a little bit affordable. Something. Find the flaw. Bounce. They should have put me in the music video. I think I'm gonna leave my edges like this, y'all. What y'all think? Just leave them. You know, it looks unnatural a little bit, you know? Okay, y'all, so all I did was just fix my little leave out, straighten my little edge. But I curled my hair. Y'all see that? Is it giving? Is it giving? Is it giving? I left my earrings in the truck and I left my headband in the truck. But y'all, this is it. I'm wondering, should I brush out the curls? Should I brush them out? Or should I let them just fall naturally? You see them skinny, and then I'm thick on top of it. I don't think I'm gonna brush it out. Or should I? I'm gonna brush it out. That's childish. This is not a quinceañera. You feel me? This ain't that. Okay, what is this? Yo, what is that? Don't piss me off. Okay, so let's get into the last segment of the show, y'all, called This Is So Her. And so my This Is So Her moment this week was making sure that I take the time out, even being over the road, to do things like this. Get myself ready, buy myself new clothes, do my hair, and make sure that I never look like a real trucker, but instead look like a truck her. Y'all see how I did that? Okay, so let me know down below, what are your This Is So Her moments? It could be anything you manifested, anything you created, anything you have done to make yourself feel like this is so her of me to do. And I will talk to y'all next time, okay? You have tuned in to another episode of Her Creation. Whether girl you were, Miss the Woman you are becoming, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna see y'all next time.